Kodhi nyime ni Ogai mar doho Martha Koome oyango chenro machielo mar yudo ratiro ka opogore gi dhungruok mag buche e doho kata alternative justice system e doho ma Bomet. Ma en okang' mar kelo machiegni lai mar chiwo ne ji ratiro ne e yo mar twak achiel kachiel maonge tulo, ka bende ageta mare en yudo ratiro e nengo mayot. Chenro no koro omiyo kaunti ma Bomet obedo kaunti mar 16 rwako chenro mar tieko gwandruok e yor twak, ka koro kauntis mamoko mapok orwako chenro no ijiwo mondo orwak chenro no mar kelo ne doho yot e yor tich.
Growing up, many disagreements were resolved through dialogue, wisdom, and the collective guidance of respected elders. I can see some of them here. Those values of listening, reconciliation, and community responsibility remains as relevant today as they were those days.
Together, these initiatives reaffirm our commitment to making justice more accessible, responsive, and rooted in the lived realities of the people that we serve. That justice is not defined by the location of a courtroom, but by every person's ability to obtain fair, timely, and dignified resolution of disputes.
What HAS will do is help us resolve community disputes, which include land issues, family conflicts, neighbor disagreements, before they escalate. It will strengthen our communities and reduce the burden on our courts, but it will never be used to shield criminals.
Telo mag dhowedhe sub